Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.
Join us at Like Learning School and experience a transformative education journey. Visit our website at www.likelearningschool.com or contact us at +234 808 509 5144 to learn more and get started today.
Practice questions on multiplication and division of fractions. Let me zoom in a bit. I think I can still zoom in a bit so that it will be bold enough. I hope you are seeing it clearly. Now, what do we do here? Just speak up so that
you need to find anyone you can cross out.
Okay, you need to find out what can cross out a numerator and a denominator. Any number that can divide a numerator and a denominator, but there's no such number, isn't it?
No.
So if there's no such number, you just multiply out the numerators and then multiply out the denominators. Let's do that. And what does that give? Quickly.
That gives 3 over 10.
3 over 10, because 1 times 3 is 3. Good. That's for the numerators. The denominator 2 times 5 is 10. You know. Alright, it's 10. I think that's the answer. Okay, so that's cool. Next.
Now, you need to find out the one. You need to find and cross out the ones that can get divided by the numerator and the denominator.
Yes. Is there any such for a numerator and then a denominator? Is there any number that can?
No.
There's no number that can. These 8 and 4 are both denominators, so you can't do that because they are both denominators. So nothing can divide a numerator and a denominator, whether it is in one fraction or the other fraction. One must be up and the other must be down. Okay, so we just multiply out. So what does that give?
That gives 21 over 32.
32. Because 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 4 is 32. Good. Alright. Number 3 and 4. Go ahead.
Need to find the ones that can get divided.
Okay. Is there anything that can divide the numerator and divide the denominator?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure that there's no number that can divide a numerator and divide a numerator?
Can you divide them 4 and 10?
Any number, it doesn't have to be 4 that will divide it. Any number that can divide 4 and also divide 10.
2 and 10.
Yes. So let's go. Whatever, if you have a number that can divide a numerator and also divide a denominator, you divide it out. Let's go. So you are using what to divide now?
You're using 2
Okay.
to divide.
2 divide. Let's go. 2 divided by 4 gives what?
2 divided by 4 gives.
Sorry, actually 4 divided by 2 is what I meant.
4 divided by 2
Gives 2.
is 2.
And then what do you say again?
10.
10 divided by 2 gives what?
5.
5. Okay, so the answer will be what?
And the answer
By the way,
will
is
be,
there any other thing that can divide?
No.
If there's anything that can divide, for instance, the 2 and the 5 down, or even the 2 or 9 and 5, or 9 and 5, and you divide by, there's nothing. So what will be the final answer?
The final answer will be
Final.
18 over 10.
Oh, so what do you mean? How do you
18
get?
over 10.
How do you get a 10? 5 times 5 is 10. Be careful.
Oh no, 18 over 50.
5? Well, how did you... Be careful so that you don't make a mistake. 18...
It's 5 times. Oh, 5 times 18 over 25.
18 over 25, please be careful so that you don't make a mistake. 18 over 25. Okay. You know, I said you can do it in a different way. This is another way you can do it. Or you can do it like this. If you don't want to strike out first, multiply out those numbers. Like 4 times 9 will give you 36 over, just multiply out the numbers. 4 times 9, 36. 5 times 10 is 50. And when you get the answers like this, you know, I multiply them out without striking out. Then you begin to reduce it to the lowest term. Begin to do what?
Yeah, reduce it to the lowest term.
In other words, look for anything that can divide up and divide and keep dividing until you can't divide again. Is there any number that can divide numerator and divide denominator? They are all even numbers, so 2 can divide them. 2 divide 36 will give you 18. And 2 divide 50 will give you 25. Is it not the same thing as what we got?
Yes.
So you can use this method. But always see, what did they write here? Read this instruction. Read it out.
Where?
Please read out what I'm circling. I need you to concentrate.
Give your answer in its simplest form.
Yes, you should always give your answer in its simplest form. In other words, keep striking out until you can't strike out again. Otherwise, you won't get a full mark. Quickly, let's run through it quickly. What do you do in number 4?
You need to write out 2 over 3 and then times 11 over 8.
2 over 3. Then you change this division to multiplication. And then you flip the next fraction. That's how you came about 11 over 8. 11 over 8.
And now you need to find if you can cross out any ones.
Okay, what can cross out?
And 2 and 8 can cross out.
2 can cross out 2, 1. You can cross out 8, 4. So what does it give? Let's go faster. It gives what?
11 over 12.
11 over 12. Okay, good. Very quickly. This one. Very quickly.
You need to start as 1 over 4 times 7 over 6.
Times 7 over 6. Is there anything that can cross out up and down?
No.
No, okay, so we just write out the answer. What does it give?
6 over
What did you say?
6.
Be careful. What does it...
1 divided by 6.
Are you dividing? You said there's nothing that can cross out, so multiply out quickly.
7 over 7 over 24.
7 over 24. Alright, since there's nothing that can cross out. This one, let's go. What does it change to?
5 over 13 times 2 times 3 over 2.
Times 3 over 2. Is there anything that can divide up and divide down?
You could. No.
No, there's nothing. 5 cannot divide 13. 5 cannot divide 2. 3 cannot divide 2. 3 cannot divide 13. Alright, let's go. So you multiply out. What does it give? You see, we're moving faster. What does it give?
15 over 20.
15 over what?
15 over 25.
You're multiplying.
Yes.
15 over what? Concentrate so that you don't make a mistake.
15 over 20.
15 over what?
26.
15 over 26. Okay. Just this last two. What does it change to?
2 over 17 times 5 over 2.
Okay. 2 over 17 times, you change the whenever you have division, you change to multiplication and you flip the fraction. The next fraction, 5 over 2. Instead of 2 over 5, it becomes 5 over 2. Okay, so let's go. Is there anything that can cross out? Before, are you sure? Why are you so much in a hurry to say no when you haven't looked at it properly?
2.
But why did you say no? Okay, let's go. What does it become?
2.
It crosses out and becomes what now?
2.
2 divided by 2. 2 dividing itself. Make sure you concentrate and don't make mistakes. And then you divide this one, it becomes 1, 2. So the answer will become what?
5 over 17.
I hope you know how I came about this one and this one.
Yes.
What did I do?
Because 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1.
Which one? Okay, good. 2 we cross out to 1. Or 2 divided to 1, 2 divided to 1. Alright. Finally this.
5 over 14. Need to find the ones that can cross out.
Is there anything that can cross out?
No. No.
Okay, so that becomes what?
15 over
You're trying to do 14 times 4. First of all, 5 times 3 is 15. 14 times 4.
48.
Are you sure it's 48? 4 times 4. And then 4 times 1. Be careful. You're multiplying. Four times 4 and then 4 times 8. You're multiplying quickly. What is 4 times 4?
4 times 4 is 8.
Be careful. What is 4 times 4?
16.
But why did you say 8? You could make those kind of mistakes and miss a question that you even know. You should be careful. 4 times 4 is 16. What do you write?
Let's carry 1.
Carry 1 to the other side. And then you say 4 times 1.
4 times 1 is 4.
Plus 1.
Okay, and plus 1, which is 2.
4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1.
So 5.
So the answer is 56, isn't it? See how easy it can be? Can you see how easy all can be? There's nothing to fear in this. Just apply the principles, okay? Any question? All right. Okay. Well, this one's multiplication, some division, some mixing them up. But you really need to be careful because some of them are tricky. Like when you start having all of these. This one is one of the it's a very tricky one. It's easy. Okay, let me just pick a few like this one. I'm going to circle in black. Let's do B. Let's do B. And let's do F. And let's do H. Maybe G. Very quickly. Let's start with B. Are you ready? Are you ready?
What? To do the noun?
Yes, let's just walk through. We can even do some of them at the top. So zoom in so that you can have enough space at the top for B. So B says 1 whole number 1 over 3 times 4. So quickly, you can see zoom in very better. You have more space. Yeah. One whole number 1 over 4. Sorry, one whole number 1 over 3 times 4. Let's go.
Wait.
Okay, that's one whole number 1 over 3. Change it to 4 over 3 times 4.
So in this situation,
Yes.
would you just times the top and the bottom?
Exactly. Especially if there's nothing that can strike out up and down. If you can't divide up, down, and reduce to a lower term. So 16 over 3, and that gives what?
Pardon?
16 over 3, that gives what? Always change it to a mixed number.
No.
5 for number 1 over 3. Okay, cool. So let's look at F. 12 over 13 times 39 over 8. Let's do F quickly. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's ready.
Which question?
F, I said.
So,
Yes. Yeah, go ahead, I'm listening.
can I cross out 39 to make it smaller?
Yes, you can cross out 39 with what? You're crossing out 39 with what?
3.
With, you see, whatever you're going to divide up with, you must find something down to divide with that.
Oh.
Is there anything that can divide up and also divide down? Anything that can divide up and also divide down? But it must be up and then down. It can't be up and up. You know that. One up, one down. One up, one down. Any one up and any one down. Any one up and any one down. Okay, let's go. They don't have to be the same fractions, but any one up and any one down. Anything that can divide any one up and any one down. Let's go. 3 can divide what?
12 and 9, but that's both up.
Say that again.
I said 12 and 39, but they're both up.
But they are both up. So there's something that can divide something up and divide something.
Oh, 4. No, 3. Yeah, 4. Never mind, 4.
You mean for 12 and 8?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do that. Use maybe a red pen and strike it out. Or blue, okay. So if you strike out blue there, that will be 2. Dividing with 4, that will be 3. Okay, is there anything that can also divide this and divide this? In fact, 13 itself can divide 13 and also divide 39, because 13 times 3 will give you 39. You know, will give you 39. Alright, so the final answer will be what? Okay, so you just multiply out what is left. 3 times 3, 9. 1 times 2, 2, 4 whole number 1 over 2. Cool. Alright, let me see if I can pick a division here before we look at other ones. Let me see if I can pick a division here. Let's go down. Go to this D for dog here. This D here. 4 whole number 1 over 3 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 2. Can we just squeeze it in here?
Put it up there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Four whole number 1 over 3 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 2. That's 3 times 1, 4, 12 plus 1, 13 over 3, okay? Divided by 5 over, that's 2 times 2, 5 plus 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 4 over 2. Okay, so you know when you are doing division, you know what to do.
You do 13 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 5.
Let me hear you out. When you have division, like 13 over 3 divided by 5 over 2, what do you normally do? You change this division to multiplication and you flip the next fraction. Does it remind you of something?
I what?
Yes, you know that. When you're dividing, you change the division to multiplication.
And then it becomes 2 over 5.
Ah, yes, it becomes 2 over 5. You flip only the next fraction after the multiplication. So times 2 over 5. Is there anything that can divide up and divide down?
No.
So you just multiply out the answers. Write it out here. (26 over). Wow, we still need to reduce the lowest term. So what does that give?
Can't it go to 3?
No, 15. Can't even go in 2 places. 15 times 2 is 30. So you can't even go up to 2. It goes only once. So that's just one whole number. And what will be left? 9. No, 11. 11 over 16, 15. goes only in one place. 1 whole number and 11 over 15. Alright, can you try this one? Which one can I ask you to do? This E. Let's do this E. Let's just do this E here. Sorry, let me write it in yellow. Two divided by 1 over 6. Let's go. 2 divided by 1 over 6. Let's go.
Pardon?
This E. Let's go.
On 3?
E. Go. No. Yes, that's it. E. This E. Let's do it here. Oh, by the way, they were even asking us which one has the largest value, but it doesn't matter. We're not going to do all. To answer this question, say which of the following has the largest value. You have to do all of them before you pick out. But let's just do E and see something. I just want us to find out what E will give. You understand what I mean? Read out the question itself, so that you know what I'm talking about.
Which of the following has the largest value?
To do that, you have to find out what A is, find out what B is, find out what C is, find out what D is, find out what E is, before you find out which one has the highest value. But I just want you to try out what E is. Go ahead and try what E is, so that we just... What will E give? Go ahead. E is 2 whole number. 2 divided by 1 over 6. So what will you do? Quickly, E. Quickly, concentrate. E.
2, 1, and flip.
Exactly. Quickly. In fact, you can be thinking of that in your head and then quickly get these answers.
I can't do that. 6, 1, 8.
So E is 12. 12 over 1 is 12. D is what? The same principle we give. D will be what? Don't even bother to do it. You can say the answer based on what you just did now.
Wait, don't you just times... Oh, that's easy, never mind.
That's that.
This is 15.
So E is 15.
This is 16.
This is 15. This is 12. This is 16. This is 15. This is 12. So which one is the highest?
C.
So the correct answer is C. By the way, this is sorry. So the correct answer is C. C that has 16. See how easy this can be. All right. Look at this one. I want to give you this one that look a bit tricky, but it's nothing. Scroll down, you find what I'm circling. Are you seeing it? It says, what's the value of 4 over, then all of this? 4, then divided by all of this. Do you know what you should do? Simplify this one first. Simplify this one first. simplify this one first. Let me use a red line to draw here, because over means division. You know, are you listening to me? Simplify the denominator first. It is denominator. Simplify it first. Find out what this gives first. What does it give? By the way, 1 minus 3 over 4, without even wasting time, what should 1 minus 3 over 4 be?
What do you mean?
Yes, 1 minus 3 over 4. 1 whole minus 3 over 4. Or you want to work it out? What should this give? 1 minus 3 over 4. What?
1. Oh, a quarter.
A quarter. So this whole thing in the denominator is a quarter, isn't it? This gives a quarter. That's 1 over 4. So it simply means, this thing simply means 4 divided by that, a quarter. Did you get what I wrote? What I just did? That's what it means now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because the whole denominator is a quarter. So it simply means 4 divided by a quarter. 4 over means division. When you have over means division. So this is the same thing as saying 4 divided by a quarter. You know, that line means division divided by a quarter. So you can now work it out. Go ahead and answer it. So what does it give?
Wait, I think I need to.
I think you can just
4 times.
do it here, please. Do it here so that we don't waste space. Okay, just 16, because the whole thing will simply be 4 over 1 times 4 over 1. Flipping this one, 4 over 1, after you've changed these 2 times. And this itself is 4 over 1. Okay, so see, 16 is the answer. I hope you got it. You understood the method.
Yeah.
Simplify the denominator, which is 1 over 4. And it's 4, it means 4 divided by 1 over 4. So 4 divided by 1 over 4. Okay. Let me see this one that looks strange. Look at this. Strange stuff. So start from here and keep working until you get to the top. Let's do this one first. Let's do this one first. What does this give?
Pardon?
Yes, let's do this one first. I think we can start rounding off. Let's do this one first. What does it give?
2 over 3.
Okay, so this gives 2 over 3. Only this place gives 2 over 3. So this means 1 minus, first of all, so you do 1 over 2 over 3. I mean, you do here. This means 1 over 2 over 3 now, isn't it? Are you seeing the whole thing I'm circling? Please, I need you to concentrate so that you don't, you understand what I'm doing. Are you listening to me?
Wait. Yeah, I'm just confused.
Don't be confused. You need to pay attention. You will get what I'm saying. This is 1 divided by this 2 over 3. So do that first. Do 1 divided by that 2 over 3 first. Talking about this one as circle. That's what it means now. Is that not what it means?
What?
Oh my goodness. You are saying it 1 divided by... What did you get this one I circled in red?
2 over 3.
And so this means 1 divided by 2 over 3. And what does it give? Without even wasting time, what does it give? You know, you would change to multiplication. This is like saying 1 times 3 over 2, is it not?
Yeah.
Which is 3 over 2.
Yeah.
So this whole place is 3 over 2. This whole place is 3 over 2. And then you're going to say 1 minus 3 over 2. What is 1 minus 3 over 2? 1 minus 3 over 2.
1 minus 3 over 2 is...
Let me write it in blue. 1 minus 3 over 2. It's definitely going to give us something negative.
So, I put this over 1.
Yeah, this one will be over 1. Minus 3 over 2. What does it give?
Wait. Oh,
Mm-hmm. So what does that give?
minus 1 over 2.
Yeah, that gives minus 1 over 2. So we're getting minus 1 over 2. Alright, so this minus 1 over 2 is just here. If you could see what I circled, you may need to scroll up. Scroll up to see what I circled. This whole place I circled. I'm going to circle it in blue. This is what we just got at minus 1 over 2. Let me write it in blue too. So you have to do 1 over that minus 1 over 2. 1 divided by that minus 1 over 2. We're almost done with that. 1 divided by that minus 1 over 2. So let me write it down. Don't worry, it's getting 1 divided by that minus 1 over 2. And you know it becomes 1 times minus 2 over 1. What does that give?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. This gives minus 2, or minus 2 over 1 if you like. It's simply minus 2. If you like, minus 2 over 1. By the way, this minus 2 over 1 is the whole of here. The whole of here. That's minus 2. So you now have 1 minus minus 2. Because we have here 1 minus the whole thing in yellow. 1 minus minus 2. Anyway, you said it is minus, so let's just leave it as minus 2. What is 1 minus minus 2? What I'm doing is 1 minus that minus 2. What does it give?
1 minus, the answer I got minus 2.
Exactly. So 1,
So 1
minus 2, and that gives what?
3.
That gives plus, okay, 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, so we're almost done with this. That means this whole place This whole place is 3. So we are done. This is now 1 over 3. The whole thing over black is 1 over 3. So the final thing will simply be 1 minus 1 over 3. Because the whole thing in black is 3. Which gives what? The whole thing in black, we have found the whole thing in black to be 3. You know? So this is now 1 over the whole thing in black, which is 3. So 1 minus 1 over 3 gives what? Final answer.
2 over 3.
Gives 2 over 3. 2 over 3, which is the final answer. I think that's basically what it should be. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Like Learning School, your premier online education platform. At Like Learning School, we are dedicated to helping students and learners unlock their full potential, providing them with the foundation, support, and guidance they need for academic excellence. Our platform caters to 2 main target audiences. Firstly, we work with school children of all ages, offering academic follow-up and accountability partnerships. Our seasoned tutors provide personalized attention to ensure students stay on track and reach their goals. Secondly, we support students and learners who are preparing for internal, external, entrance, or professional examinations. We offer comprehensive and well-structured support to help them achieve outstanding performance in their exams. Our robust virtual courses are designed to keep students engaged and motivated. With interactive videos showcasing our teaching sessions, students actively participate in the learning process, making education enjoyable and effective. But that's not all. We believe in personalized education. Our students have access to personalized tutorial sessions, whether online, physical, or hybrid, tailored to their unique learning needs. Join us at Like Learning School and experience a transformative education journey. Visit our website at www.likelearningschool.com or contact us at +234 808 509 5144 to learn more and get started today.